How to get the most out of a songwriting idea. First of all, you need to capture the initial idea. So as soon as you have it, write it down, make a note on your phone, make a voice memo. This will make sure you don't forget it, so when you're in a position where you can write the song, you can just use the idea and you hit the ground running. Explore the idea. Spend time brainstorming and coming up with different ideas that all tie into each other. Consider different emotions, different angles, all to develop a clearer vision for the song. Determine a central theme for the song. Is it about love, loss, personal empowerment? Is it political? Defining the theme will guide your creative process and your decision making, making the whole thing a lot easier. Develop the lyrics. Feel free to experiment with different rhyme schemes, use metaphors, personify things. Make sure the lyrics evoke different emotions and paint a vivid image. Create a melody that complements the lyrics. And with this goes the chords, and if you change the chords onto the melody, then the melody will have a different effect on your listener. The arrangement and instrumentation. The different instruments you decide to put in the song will have a different effect on the emotions of the listener. So if you use a guitar, the listener will feel very differently to if you use strings and violins and sort of piano all in one go. Dylan Matthew has a great use of piano and strings in his songs. These create a really founded and embedded emotion right from the start of the song that you feel all the way through. Versus Ed Sheeran songs, which have an acoustic guitar in them, these make you feel a different way to those songs. Bridge and dynamics. So you want your bridge to be slightly different from the rest of the song, maybe using dynamics, so you can either elevate the song, maybe even change the key, but elevate the song, lift the energy in the bridge, or you can decide to bring the energy all the way down and then build it back up in a final chorus. Feedback and refinement. Share your songs with all your friends, anyone that you know, family members, you know, whoever you've got. Get their take on it. Do they enjoy it? What do you think the song's missing? Can you hear anything that maybe needs changing, maybe needs different instrumentation? Maybe there needs to be a different lyric. Is that the absolute best lyric you can use in that verse or that chorus? Make sure to leave a like and also subscribe. It helps me out a ton. It's just a like for you, but it widens my whole career and really changes my life, so thank you. Polish up the song. Pay attention to each individual lyric, the timing of lyrics, and also transitions between different sections. Does the verse flow well into the pre-chorus, into the chorus? Is that all working the way exactly how you want it to sound? Try your best to mix the song as well as possible. If you need to, get a mixing engineer in. They're really, really good at what they do. Most of them are anyway. And quite often they're not too expensive depending on what your plan is for the song. Make sure you produce it the way you want as well, so you can definitely add extra things, pieces of ear candy, and use tricks such as sidechain reverb and sidechain compression against the lead vocal to mix everything in well. They're two things that I wish I knew earlier. Before we go any further, make sure to check out willtaylor.shop. There'll be a link in the description and also the comments. They're just selling t-shirts and hoodies. They look absolutely awesome and I'm so proud to finally bring them to you. After the song's written, make sure to perform and share it. Go to open mic nights, go online, post yourself playing it on YouTube. Even if it's not the fully produced version, just post playing it. This will get you feedback from people. You'll be able to get different people's perspectives and also see how well the song engages with an audience live. So somebody might tell you it's a really good song, but were they on their phone the entire way through? Did they look up and listen? These are really good indicators on whether you've got a really good strong hook in a song. I feel like I've absolutely blasted through this video, but make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you've enjoyed. There'll be another one up Saturday morning, 8 AM. I'm now uploading a live performance every day other than Saturday. Saturdays are going to be songwriting Saturdays, so we're going to have a video up teaching like different songwriting techniques on a Saturday morning, and I really hope they're providing value. You guys seem to be enjoying them, so I'm going to keep uploading them. But with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye!